Hey guys, Dan the Man 92 here, back again with another video for you guys. So today, I have a tour of my office. Let's look at it. So where we go, into my office. I have this divider right here because the rest of that stuff is all storage. Got the cat tree that I'm probably gonna get rid of. My lights, phone stand, a couple tables, got dog toys and a dog bed. My dog likes coming up here with me. I have my computer set up, my TV with the Nintendo 64, the PlayStation Classic back there, and the Nintendo Classic right there. Also got a Three Stooges plaque. Best video game ever right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it in here right now. Plan on putting some more stuff on the walls. Just haven't really found anything at any stores that I like. But yeah, this is pretty much it. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.